Hang on, guys. Hang on.
Good job.
Oh shit. Watch out behind you, it's tough again, your boys. Going to be
Watch out, head.